Hey guys, welcome to my brand new video. In this video I'm going to show you a suggested video that is my own friend commented me on my channel, that is I need to know how to recover Facebook page deleted video. It's okay. So if you want to do so, watch this video until the end and don't skip it. So I'm gonna log in my Facebook without talking anymore. Then if we delete any kind of video from our post, whenever post on Facebook, that's quite easy. And Facebook page deleted video recovery, it's quite different. So I'm gonna show one by one. First of all, I'm going to go in my Facebook and I'm gonna post here something. Suppose I'm gonna post here, it is how are you? I just posted here on my Facebook. Then clicking on post. Right now you can see there is, here is my post. It's okay. So I'm gonna delete it. So just click on three dot line. Next you can find here that is move to trash. So I'm gonna click on here, move to trash. Right now this post has been moved to trash. So how can I find this trash box? So click on three dot line. Then you can find here activity log. So just click on activity log. Then you can find here that is trash. You can see this one, it's next to archive. Click on trash. Alright, then you can see here that is this post, this one. You can see, just write down here how are you. Okay, so click here three dot line. Next click here restore to profile. Restore to profile. So I'm gonna restore it in profile. Then click on restore the profile. So this post going to go on restore. So it's quite easy to remove something or to restore something in your Facebook profile. Alright, I'm gonna refresh it. Then post will return soon. Then you can see this post already been published 2 minutes ago and my own friend already gave reaction. So I'm gonna give it again, move to trash, because this post is not needed. I just show you how to do this. Next, go to Facebook page. This is the most important. So I'm going to go in my Facebook page. Facebook page name is English Couple. This is my Facebook page. And you gotta be an admin if you want to do so. So how to check that you are an admin or not? Alright, if you want to check so just press it in the or move it at the left side. Then you can find here more option. You can see more. Just click on more option. Alright, then you can see here that is at the bottom of the site, this one, setting. So just click on settings. Then you can find here at the fourth or fifth level or fifth line, that is general page info, message and notification, page rules. So just click on page rules. Whenever you click on page rules, then you can see here that is who is an admin in this page. You can see there are 2 admins in my pages. Okay, there are 2 admins. So you have to be an admin in this page. Alright, then go back and you can see a number of posted. So after checking this, just go there and select any kind of videos. You can see this is my own video, and I'm gonna select it or I'm gonna delete it, and I'll try to recover it. I'm gonna say right now some important line, that is, actually you can recover something easily and fast in Facebook, but its Facebook page is totally different. Then just click on three dot line. You can find here three dot line. Next you can find here delete option, so I'm gonna delete it. Then you can find here two option or three option, that is delete, edit and cancel. So I'm gonna click on it, delete. All right, right now you can see that is this post is already deleted. I'm gonna check it here. Oh, see, there is no post, and you cannot find anything like this Facebook, that is this post will be restored, or this post will go to trash, this video will go to trash. You cannot find anything else. Actually in Facebook page you cannot recover your deleted video or post. It will be deleted permanently. So I'm gonna tell you, this is the most important thing, that is in Facebook page you cannot recover your deleted video or your deleted post in Facebook page. It will be deleted permanently. So whenever you delete something in Facebook page or it's deleted by mistaken, so think about one more time, that is you cannot recover it, because in Facebook authority didn't allow it. So make it confirm, that is you cannot or you never recover it something whenever you delete something in Facebook page. Okay, so this video actually it's an information, because some of my friends commented me for making a video that is how to recover Facebook deleted video. So it's an information. So my message is to you, or final message is to you, that is you cannot recover your Facebook page deleted video. Okay, so Facebook authority hasn't give such kind of opportunity. So no more today. I hope you feel better. So if you feel better, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for getting new videos.